Yo, SALINA in this bit, about to get lit. What's up? I said, what's up? Hey, cousins. Today we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Oh, yeah. Okay, take my Real Techniques brush and start patting down. That is in the color Fawn from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And today, guys, I want to talk about body positivity and, you know, just body image in general. Because for me, I always been bigger than everybody that I was around. Period. I always been bigger, but I wasn't big. How people, you know, like describe like big is like my 600-pound life. I was just really just like bigger than everybody that I was around. I wasn't that big. I was just bigger. I was just well developed. They were just mad. You're just a hater. I was really well developed. That was the problem. I was like, I already had boobies and everything, and I was real, you know, I was busty. Okay, period. I was just busty. And I just had a little bit more than everybody. So everybody used to be like, "Oh, you fat. Oh, you're big. Oh, you know, you woo woo." So I always felt weird. I blended that out. I always just felt weird, and not weird in the sense, but like, damn. Now I'm just thinking about like back then, thinking, damn, man, you weren't even that big, you know. You just really, but I never really let people, you know how in school they portray like when you overweight, like they make fun of you for being over. Did nobody try me? Did nobody try me for that? Did nobody ever try me? Well, in school, I don't think I was big, but I probably perceive myself as being big because everybody in my family always just be like, "Ooh, you fat. Ooh, you. Ooh. You know. Ooh. You know, just them. You know how family be in your business, or you know, people just need to mind their own body. Mind your own body, because this ain't got nothing to do with you. You be your lamb, be your mind. Mind your own body. How about it? I'm gonna use the first color I'm gonna use is this light blue right here. And you know what's crazy? I can't believe you really let people perception of you get to your own head. That's what I think I did, and I think that's what everybody do. But fuck them people. Do what the fuck you want to do. Fuck them people. But anyway, yeah, like I said, love yourself, self-love, soul care, baby. But you know that never stopped me though. You know that never stopped me. I was still like me. Shit, I never really let that. Um, well, like I feel like it hurt more when it comes from family, the people that you think supposed to, you know, encourage you, uplift you. Shit, your family is your worst critic, to be honest. Shit, but then everybody else be like, "Oh, you not like." Everybody else be like, "Oh, you not that." They be like, "Oh, you not that. You not that big," or no, but they be like, "Cause my boobs is big as fuck. My boobs is big fuck." Well, the weight I am now, well, I'm not what I am now, but what I was my heaviest I ever been in my life. But I just feel like the older you get, you realize how much things got to you when you was younger, but you probably just pushed them down. You buried that shit down, and just left it where you left it. Still with this first blue, I'm just following it around. Make it worse also. Like the media really just be portraying whatever they want to portray. Like, or like they always just have this size model or like this, or what they think people want to see. Like, and just because you bigger don't mean, or skinny don't mean you healthy. Because you could be skinny as fuck and be unhealthy, and you could be big and be healthy than somebody that's fucking skinny. So stop it. This brush, and this is a Moto brush, and I'm gonna put it like, try to put it underneath and like put it underneath that blue. I'm gonna end up probably going back again to sharpen up that blue. Here we go. Here we go again. Now you telling me that she is your friend. 3 o'clock in the morning. We ain't trying to hear it. I think I just fucked up my neck. That shit hurt it hurt it. Okay, I'm pretty much done now. I'm gonna go back in with this Morphe brush and dip into that first blue, that lighter blue that we just dipped into, period. And just go back above. That song in my head again. But yeah. And for me, it took me, when people used to say stuff, like, people never really came for me for my weight. Like, it used to be like other things, like my acne, because I'm black, because I'm dark-skinned, because it's my nose, my Afrocentric nose, my baby ears. But they never tried me, unless they did it behind my back, but they never tried me to my face. Never. Period. You. I don't want your heart, baby, let before. I don't want you back. I just want to let you know. I don't even want you. I don't even want you like that. I don't even want you like that. Emotional wall, stop it. Okay. I like this. See, it look like that. And then stop it. I don't want to mess up. I don't want to mess up like that. I'm trying to take my time, do it right. Okay, sorry. I got lost in a moment. I lost myself there. I lost myself. All right. I'm calm. Okay, I'm calm. Stop. I'm gonna stop getting back to the video. I'm gonna stop. I need some more. I'm gonna take a little bit. I need one of them little dipping trays. They be having like little Zvack or something. I need me a little dipping tray or something. But yeah, whatever. I'm gonna take this brush. This is a wow. This is a Wet n Wild brush. I just really wanted to sing Wild Thoughts. Because I don't know if you can take it. I know you want to see me naked. I want to see you, baby. Spit it like it came from me, Tig. I love you, Ree. Period. And my friend. My tastes like candy. Okay, let me stop. Okay, I'm gonna try to. I'm sorry. You can't help it. I play so much. Get out my bubble if you're not popping like I am. If you're not popping like I am. Get out. Oh shit. I'm fucking up. Let me calm down. But let me get back into this little talk. For me, I just feel like love yourself. You should always love yourself, because how you gonna know how you want to be loved if you don't love yourself? Like, make it make sense. FYI, never put a trust in them nigga on no bitch just because. It is in the way and it's pissing me off. Waves don't swim, so they hate on him. Stop talking to me. Stop it. I'm gonna look. Let me stop playing. Y'all gonna think I'm crazy. Okay. I don't get how big they do this all the time, because this too much. If you're not popping like I am. My lips look purple, not blue. That's so upsetting. Now it's time for me to dip into the crayon case, the crayon palette. We'll be taking some black and just put underneath. I think I poked my eye, for sure.
Ow, my boo-boo. If you're not popping like I am.
Silver. I like that, period. That's all she wrote. She's done. She's finished. Stop her. Stop her. Stop her. My little hair look a little dry. Wait, where the Maybelline part at? Well, I don't even see. Oh, maybe it's Maybelline. Right? Why they add the extra L for? I'm confused. Somebody explain to me, cause somebody they trying to be different and stuff. I really looked at this damn bottle to see how and why I do it say Maybelline. I'm funny as fuck. LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. And bring that up and out like that. Feel like if you like being big, if you want to be big, stay big if that's what you want to do. But if it's causing problems with your health, go on, do the work, you know, lose that weight, get on the schedule slowly, still find ways that work for you. Don't try these fad diets and stuff. Just take your time, because it's the keeping the weight off in the long run. You don't want no quick fix and then you back to being in an unhealthy situation. So just do you. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to get myself together. And make sure you blend everything the fuck down. You hear me? The fuck down. Bend and stop. Ow. Stop it. I look good as fuck. Okay. I like that look. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. Weird foot, okay. And I'm gonna gonna use my Madeline, sweet Madeline. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you have any requests, you already know this reaction videos, different makeup looks, different things like that of that nature. You got me? Just put them down below in the comments. Anyway, Salina out there, bitch. Stay lit. Bye, cousins.